Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a test print on a Brother MFC-J4410DW. This is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen and the up and down arrows here. So, the first thing to do is press this little ink level estimate looking thing at the top here. And once you're in there, test print is the top option. Press against that. And you have a couple of options here, print quality or alignment. Print quality is the most likely one, so we're going to go into that now. But I will do a separate video for print head alignment later. Press the green button to start. And this will take your printer just a minute, and then we'll take a look at the sheet. Now, here's the test page, and the main thing we're going to be looking at is this here, this representation of the black, yellow, cyan, and magenta, which is 4-color inks your printer uses. Now, there should be a much more distinct pattern here with more regular lines. The absence of those little squares indicates print quality issue with the black and the cyan specifically. So it's probably best that we do some cleans. Thankfully, if we return to our screen, the printer is actively asking if the print quality is okay. It's clearly not in our instance, so I'm going to press no. And then we can jump straight into cleaning cycles, which push fresh ink into the printer's print head and will hopefully dislodge any black and cyan ink that could be causing those print quality issues. From here, you can do cleans and test pages until you see an improvement in your print quality and get yourself back up and running. So I'm going to head off and do that now, and hopefully you've had a better test result than I have. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let me know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.